was like, what will I do? Next thing, the man entered the bathroom, like he put his head behind the door. He was like, are you a spirit? With my sandal and my handbag in one hand. So you are hiding her in the bathroom? Jesus. The man has slapped me. But why?
Like you got me when the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Hi Vibe Babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Vibe Queen here again, and I'm back with this video. So this is my first video for the year, so I'm permitted to say Happy New Year to you all. So this year I'm going to be giving you guys more story times, so like get my things figured out and all of that. So yeah guys, I asked on my social media platform which story time you guys wanted to listen to, though everything was picked, but like this particular one was like the most voted story time everybody wanted to listen to. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, join the Vibe Babies gang. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share. So make sure you share it. I can't give this story time and then you guys not make this video to blow up. So let me get right into the video. So some years ago, I don't really remember, there's this guy, I'm going to call him Mr. A. So there's this guy that I was having a team with. We are not in a relationship, we liked each other, but we are not going to date each other. What was the reason, Seth? I don't even remember the reason, or maybe I remember, I don't know. I don't remember the reason, but we liked each other, but we're not going to date each other. That's just the summary of that aspect. So we're just having our things going. It was just us, just an us-centric get. Then one day like that, I think what even happened? I think we just noticed that like our bond was like growing apart, and I think so, or I don't even know. That day I was in his city and I texted him. I was like, oh Mr. A, hey, I'm in your city, do you care for us to see? He was like, oh yeah, sure, that you're supposed to go out, but you just look for, like, you come up with an excuse and then I could come to the house. If I can still find the chats or anything, because it's been long, I'll post it somewhere on the screen. So he then texted me that, oh yeah, he's cleared up, that I can come to his house. So I went to his house. He came to open the gate, and then normally we will, like, if I come to his house, or like any of me and my friends go to his house, we normally go to his room, which is upstairs. But that day he was like, let's stay downstairs in his brother's room. I was like, oh okay, no wala. What is my business? So when I entered the room, he now said that I was supposed to go to church. He was supposed to go to church, but he told them that he's having, was this stomach upset, a big headache? I don't know the excuse he told them that he's having, but like the whole family is supposed to go to church. But then I was like, Jesus Christ, God of mercy, God forgive me. Like, this guy was supposed to go to church, and then he lied. He told them that he was not feeling too well, and then his mom and other siblings had to go without him. So I think his dad figured something was fishy, and then the man didn't go out. He stayed back at home. So as we're in the room, at first we're watching movie, then like we're just making a joke out of everything. Like, imagine like after you finish lying, imagine if your father just walk in here, all this kind of stuff. like joke oh. So you know now. You know, finished watching the movie, things went down. So you know now, next thing we had the knock on the door, and I was like, if it is just you, me and your dad that is at home, this is your dad. And then he's like the father knocked like, I think twice or three times. I don't even, like, not like 1, 2, 3. Like, he knocked the first one, knocked the second one, knocked the third one. And he was like, carry your bag, go and hide in the bathroom. And I came, like, you know, I was supposed to go to school, but like I had to like tell him that I was around. That's why I came to his house. So like my mini box, I left it there, and then my phone was charging, so I just carried my bag, like that's my handbag, and then my sandals, and I ran inside the bathroom. And then I was hiding at the back of the bathroom door now. Like, you know when you open the door, like how somebody can hide behind it. Yeah, he now opened the door. His father now came in. So when he said I was going, I was hearing, who wants this bag? Who wants this phone? And I heard him saying, Daddy, oh, my friend. The father was like, which of your friend? And he's like, my friend came to, oh God, I'm breathing heavily. I just ran because there was so much noise downstairs. I had to go and beg. So bear with me, please. This dog is stupid. This dog is very foolish. So as I was saying, then his father was like, and he's like, and his father is like walking from the door, coming towards the toilet, and I'm like, Chineke me. And the father is opening the wardrobe one after the other. And after the wardrobe, the toilet is by the side. I was like, Jesus God, if you can save me this one more time, I will serve you forever. Not that I serve God, but like, if you guys have been in this kind of situation, just tell me in the comment section. But then I was like, what will I do? Hey God, oh God, oh God. It was not even a funny situation then. And then the father finished opening the wardrobe. Next thing, the father is opening the toilet door. The father now opened the door, and I was like, the door could not close to the wall because I'm behind the door, so the door cannot touch the wall now. And next thing, my leg is coming out from under the door. I don't know if it's my leg and my feet, or my foot, whichever one. It was coming out from outside the door. Like the door was up. The door wasn't like to the ground. The door was up. So, and I was like, Jesus, God, this man have seen me. Next thing, the man entered the bathroom. Like he put his head behind the door. He was like, are you a spirit? I was just like this, with my sandal and my handbag in one hand. I was like, Jesus. The man was like, I am asking you, are you a spirit? I was like, no, sir. He said, come out here. Come out here. Mr. A, the father and I called him, come here, stand here. So you are hiding her in the bathroom. Jesus. The man now slapped me. But why? I was like, I forgot my name. I forgot where I'm from. And like when the slap entered, Jesus, I was like, God, hey, I bet I for just go jejely, they go my school. I for just go, they go my school. Now me say, I'm in your city. Do you want us to see? I was like, Jesus. He slapped me, he did not slap his son. This dog is stupid. He slapped me, he did not slap his son. Daddy? And then he was not like, what is your name? Remember I said the slap made me forget my name. And I told him my name is Chidinma. He said, Chidinma, from where? And I called the name of my school. And I said, what are you studying? And I told him my course. The man I looked at his son and I was like, you see? I didn't know if I should cry, laugh, because I don't chop slap. Now they laugh me because of the course where they study for school. I don't know what to do at this point. I was like, Jesus Christ. The man was just raking. Next thing I said, what have my son promised you? I was like, sir, at this point, I just had it to hear. I was just like, sir, your son and I, we are just friends. I was like, shut up your mouth. What? Did he promise you marriage? You know how far that's stuck now. I was like, no, we are just friends, sir. And he's like, you're still lying to me. If not that you are a daughter to a man like me, I would have snapped you and posted you on Facebook. Let me carry my sense and be going, which one is Facebook? The man said, stand here. He said, turn to his son. You look at you. You are this, you are that. Look. Hey, Jesus, God, I don't want to be here again. I just want to go. Please just release me, I beg. I beg. The man finished talking. I was like, I do not want to see you here again. Now get out of my house. I said, let me be going, sir. Let me carry my things and be going. It was not funny. I swear to God that this situation was not funny. I was like, it's like very embarrassing. Like so embarrassing. And then I now carried my stuffs and I told the son, please come and open the gate for me. Let me be going. I beg. He now followed me. When immediately we came out of the house, we started laughing. It was not funny. I didn't know how to feel. Like, then we left, and then I went. I swear I was never. I said I was. Is this fly stupid? I said I was never going to tell anybody about this. So me even coming now is because like it has been years ago. Like I can't do that kind of stupidity now again, you know. So I now left, went back to my school. I think some days later, I swear I didn't know if I should text the guy or he should text me, but like it was a very awkward moment, like a really awkward moment, and I didn't know. It was like a very, very awkward moment. So I didn't know like how our friendship was ever going to continue. But I think later he texted me to apologize for what happened. If I see the chat, I'll just paste on the screen. I was like, oh yeah, it's cool. So I think later he then told me that his dad apologized because he told his elder brothers and they actually spoke to the dad that he actually messed up, like fucked up, you get. So I think that was basically it. Now so I chop slap, give me a better slap. So if you guys have had any kind of situation like this or you can relate to this, just let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this story time and you want more, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and share it and comment, I beg. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know what I'm doing by now, I should have subscribed, you know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next week Friday. Bye.